Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn update many API call, which is useful to update many rows or documents in single API call. This API works in the same way for all database types. Let's take a look at the data. In this array operations collection, we have two objects. One is with customer ID 1 and other one is with customer ID 2. Now we have this query ready. We will find customer ID which are 1 or 2 and will update the address to India. Right now their address is Surat and another address is Delhi. Let's hit the API and it says it updated two documents or rows. After that it returns 0, means there is no update in any documents or in any rows. If you want to see other variants of this find, you can check our documentation. Go to APIs, go to schema based APIs or generated APIs and check this update menu. Here you can see in, $and, or, notIn, equal, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. All these operators are supported for all the database types. Let's update objects of the array in MongoDB. Let's have a quick look in the data first. So we have ages with 21 and birth year is 1989. Let's update this object and make a country ID to some value. For that, this is our query. So customer ID is 1, ages.age is 21 and birth is 1989. We want to update the country ID to 6000, which is this one. It says it updated 1. Again, no updates. Let's see. It is updated. So this is how we can update inside the array in MongoDB.